Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to access Facebook Marketplace in 2025. Whether you're hunting for a great deal on furniture, selling your old gadgets, or just curious about local listings, this guide will have you navigating like a pro. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have a Facebook account. If you don't, head over to facebook.com and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, open the Facebook app on your phone or visit the website on your computer. By 2025, Facebook might have refreshed its interface, but the core access points should be straightforward. In the mobile app, look for the Marketplace icon. It's usually a little shop or house symbol at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, and you'll be taken straight to a feed of local items. On the desktop version, check the left-hand sidebar for Marketplace option. If it's not there, use the search bar at the top and type Marketplace to pull it up. Once you're in, you'll see categories like electronics, vehicles, and clothing. You can search for specific items using the search bar, and don't forget to apply filters for location, price, or condition to narrow down your results. In 2025, Facebook might introduce cool features like AI-powered recommendations or voice search, so keep an eye out for those updates. They'll make browsing even easier. A few quick tips to enhance your experience: always update your Facebook app for the latest features and security. When buying or selling, communicate through the platform's messaging to stay safe, and meet in public places if you're making a transaction. It's all about being smart and secure. There you have it. Accessing Facebook Marketplace in 2025 is simple and efficient. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.